Greg T with the Image Stop. It's a quick little tutorial on using the image replacement filter. We've installed and set this one up for you so that you can actually replace files on upload. Now, it's a little bit different than what you might do within folders within your computer and so on and so forth, but I'll show you how. So what happens is once you log in, this is your login screen, your dashboard there. If you go to the media section here over on your left hand side, we're going to go to the library. What will happen there is it will show the overall library as far as what is in it. And now it's set to the grid here as opposed to the full width, the horizontal view. So I'm going to go to the horizontal view. Reason being, you'll see why, is when we go to that, we're open to more settings. And because of how we've set this up, if you go here, there is now a replace media setting. So what happens is when you click that replace media, you are now then able to upload a new file as we go to here, and I'm not going to do it here, but you upload the new file, and then you've got some different options here. Replace a file, use a new file name, and update all links, or just replace the file. That option, okay, does require the file to be the exact same name. My recommendation would be to use the second one, replace the file, use the new file name, and update all links. Because what this does, and the reason that it doesn't work the exact same as it does on your computer, is it doesn't just go in and replace that file. It also has to replace all links that may be connected to that file within the entire database, which is connected to the entire website. So what this filter does is it does set you up to be able to replace whatever those documents are. So I think that would probably serve the purpose of what you're looking for. If you've got any questions, let me know. But that should, I think, cover the purposes of that. Now, the fact that it's a replace the media thing, I kind of like that because I do believe, especially if you have the same name, it will just overwrite the old one, which would hopefully keep your your media library to be less cluttered is what it comes down to. Right now we have almost 2,000 items in the media library, and I'm pretty sure there's probably some that are no longer being used. What would be a good idea, just as a mention while I'm in here, is to go through here periodically, find some of the old files that are no longer working. If I click here, for instance, and go to the very last of the 2,000 images here, we've got some old logos. Hit that, for instance, that probably do not need to exist. Now, I'm not going to delete them. I don't know for sure. I would assume so. The screenshot of the old website from way back, that can probably be deleted, and there's probably several things in here that can be removed. My advice on that one, here the annual report and stuff, not sure if some are being left as archived items or whatever. So, have a look at that. Maybe go through and see which ones don't work. So that's all. Greg T with the Image Stop. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.